It is time for Superfood Friday. We have two great dishes you can make this Labor Day weekend that come together in no time. Today, nutrition and health expert Joy Bauer joins us now from her beautiful kitchen. Good morning to you.
Hey, Joy.
Good morning. Can I tell you guys, my favorite part of the week was being in studio live with you and giving everybody a great big hug.
I know.
Of course, now I'm back in the house and Ian has his job back. So my cameraman is back on. I love these two recipes. We're definitely rocking into the weekend with easy, delicious fare. The first is an action-packed Cobb salad with a do-it-yourself super creamy blue cheese dressing. So look at that. I mean, come on, you want to dig into it.
Yeah,
and it's
very, I have all those ingredients, so tell us how to make it.
So simple to assemble. This is my version, but you could do anything that you want. So I'm starting with leafy greens, and I'm putting on some juicy, nutrient-packed tomatoes. Here we got heart healthy. Look how green this avocado is. Nice and dreamy avocado. Putting on protein-packed chicken, and I have turkey bacon.
Everything.
And it's so simple, right? Yeah. I'm sitting here. This is just a chopped 2 slices of turkey bacon, you know, going lean. You could certainly use regular if you want. And I'm spreading this on top. But now comes the epic egg trick. You're going to love this, guys. Let me get this out of the way. So I have my hard-boiled egg, and I'm taking a grater. And I'm just going to grate the hard-boiled egg. And you make confetti-like pieces so that you get eggy goodness in every single bite. And I always love eggs.
Really cool.
But especially now because with all of the food prices going up in the grocery store, eggs remain one of the lowest cost, high quality proteins that you could buy. So I've been doing a lot of things with eggs, as you'll see.
I like that.
I love that. Cool.
Yeah.
My kids like hard-boiled eggs.
So now I'm going to show you the dressing because we need to dress this gorgeous salad up. So this is a blue cheese dressing that is so simple. All you do is you add in, I started with some non-fat Greek yogurt, and I added in some light mayo, some buttermilk, a little bit of lemon juice, garlic powder, onion powder, and you could see I just put in crumbled blue cheese and a little bit of scallion and parsley. Yeah. There it is.
That's it.
So it's so simple. It comes together very, very quick. And when you make it, you'll think, oh my goodness, this is so thick and caloric. But guys, it is so light while it's very, very decadent. So you could be very heavy-handed with your drizzle, which I like. So I'm putting this right over. It's because of the yogurt combination with the light mayo and the low-fat buttermilk. So it's very, very simple. And you make a great big batch, so you could put it on anything. And if you don't like blue cheese dressing, certainly you could use any other dressing that you want on the salad as well.
If you make that whole thing without the blue cheese crumbles, is the dressing still good?
So then it becomes ranch. It becomes the lowest calorie, most delicious ranch ever. And it will stash in the fridge for up to 5 days, and you do make a pretty nice amount. And I love it on sandwiches as well. It's super flavorful.
We've got less than 2 minutes left for the Brussels sprouts and eggs. Okay,
this one is a sheet pan recipe that you could have for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So we have our Brussels sprouts, which I trimmed and I quartered, and I'm adding in just garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And I have the oven preheated to 400, and you mix this up. Then you lay it out on your baking sheet, and you pop it in for just about 12 minutes. And you really want to soften and caramelize those Brussels sprouts, and you want the edges to start to get crispy brown. We fight over the leaves in my house. They're so delicious. Don't toss them. Yeah. So then it goes in the oven, and then when you take it out, 400 for just about 12 minutes. Then you take it out. Did you hear that crash?
Was Ian
no worries. It was me, actually. And so then what you do is when it comes out of the oven, you sort of push the Brussels around to create a nest for the 4 eggs. And you crack the 4 eggs in, but one important step is before you crack the eggs in, you have to liberally spray with an oil mister, right? So there I am. I'm spraying because you don't want those eggs to stick. And then you carefully crack them in the little nests that you made. It goes back in the oven just for 5 minutes, guys. And then when it comes out, I add on a little bit of ground black pepper and Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to show you what it looks like because you can't believe how easy this is. Well, we don't have the oozing of the egg. Do we have that picture? I cut the egg and all of the yolk oozes all over the we're going to see it all over the Brussels sprouts, and it almost creates like its own sauce. And then together with the parm that you put over the top, I mean, guys, it's really good.
That's
and
delicious.
It takes maybe 30 minutes.
That'd be great for brunch. That'd be a nice brunch
Really
dish.
good.
I'd eat that right now. I don't know what time. What's 9:30?
Brunch.
Okay.
And not bad.
So it could be a side or it could be an entree. Like, that's the beauty of it.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Joy, thank you
It's
so
really
much.
good.
And very doable today, for sure.
Oh, you got
Always.
it.
Thank you, Joy. For these recipes, just head to today.com/food.